If you want to make your Android phone easier to read and more comfortable to use, you can quickly change both the display size and the text size in just a few taps. This is a great option if the text feels too small, the icons look too tiny, or you simply want your screen to look a little bigger and clearer. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can adjust your phone exactly the way you like it. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can do this by tapping the gear icon from your home screen, or you can swipe down from the top of your screen and open it from the Quick Settings panel. Settings is where you'll find all the main options for customizing your device, including how your screen looks and feels. Once you're in Settings, look for the Display option and tap it. This section controls your screen's appearance, including brightness, wallpaper, sleep settings, and other display-related features. Since we want to adjust how things appear on the screen, Display is the correct place to go. Inside the Display menu, tap Display Size and Text. On some Android phones, this may appear as two separate options instead. You might see Font Size and Screen Zoom, depending on your device model and Android version. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different, because the settings do the same basic job. Now let's start with the Font Size slider. This controls how large or small the text appears across your phone. If you want text to be easier to read, move the slider to the right to make it larger. If you want more content to fit on the screen, move it to the left to make the text smaller. As you adjust it, you'll usually see a preview right away, so you can choose the size that feels most comfortable. Next, adjust the Display Size slider. This setting changes the size of items on your screen, including icons, buttons, menus, and other interface elements. If everything looks too small, moving the slider to the right will make things larger and easier to see. If you want more space on the screen and a more compact look, move it to the left. This is especially helpful if you want your apps and menus to feel bigger without changing the text too much. Take a moment to experiment with both sliders until the preview looks right to you. Everyone's preference is different, and the best setting depends on how you use your phone. Some people prefer larger text for reading, while others want smaller display items so more content fits on the screen at once. The good thing is that you can always come back and change these settings again later. Once you're happy with the adjustments, simply leave the menu. Your changes should apply automatically, and you'll notice the difference right away when you return to your home screen or open apps. Your Android device is now customized to better match your viewing preference. So that's how to change display size and text on Android in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick Android tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.